Hello, this video is about how I did my wicking barrel, my first DIY video. This is the finished product. Sorry for all you ADD people, the lines aren't straight, but I'll explain how it works. So these are the tools you need. When I started, I used a 2-liter bottle, a lighter, a file, round file, I'll show you that later, ice pick, just 2 pieces of string, rope, and a pair of scissors. Quite simple. What I did is I start with a 2-liter bottle, and I'm going to put them down here on the bottom. And all I did is I just got a lighter, and I just burn holes in it. 1, a couple across the top, 2, however you want, right? And then on the side, wear a mask, wear goggles, whatever. Yeah. And so I just did that all throughout. And I just placed them on the bottom of the barrel. Then I used the little cloth and I just put the cloth on top. Now, because they're wicking barrels, also I put a whole drainage hole in the side at that level, leaving some air space so the roots can grow. But so the water is going to fill, and I'll fill it up with the thing on it later. But anyways, so as a wicking barrel, you need a wick. I decided. So what I did is I got just a piece of string right here, just cut it, and so I got the ice pick, put a hole in it, boom. Then I just got a round file, and I just dug it out, up and down like that, and then I took my string and I threaded it using the ice pick. Oh. I'm gonna have to edit this video. So using my ice pick, I threaded it, and then I put it into the hole. Do that for both sides, and you'll get something that looks like this, threaded. So the wick is into the water on both sides. Again, this is the finished product. Then you fill it up, the water will wick through. So that's how I do it. Pretty simple. I just thought it might help somebody out there.